why they're running. These guys aren't. This one was bald like a month ago. There were some bullies that would not stop plucking out her feathers. And so I sent them to the rooster's pen. When they're bullies, they'll be fun. This one thinks I'm gonna feed them. So yeah, I'm gonna get them some compost and feed them. Oh, someone is fighting. Who fought who? Is it you? If you're bullying, you know you go over to the rooster side, right? To be clear, that's where you go. Okay, so this guy, I try to put him on the rooster side, Princess, and he thinks he's too good for the rooster side, so he like jumps over. So then when I put him back in here, he's determined to have free reign and jumped over that fence as well. So now he's like wandering in between. And here's the rooster side. They're all up at the top there roosting. So that's like the original rooster click. And then the two down here, I added. They haven't quite been accepted into the herd, but they don't get bullied anymore. So that's, you know, a good thing. But apparently if I add this guy, he gets bullied. And he like just flies over the fence. So my next step is to get a good fence person and just make this fence higher. And, you know, fix the gate door and all that stuff. But yeah, for now he just jumps over the fences and does what he wants. And Princess is such a good girl that she doesn't bother him. She doesn't eat the chickens no more. Yeah, because she's a good girl. She's a good girl. And look how the bacterial grass is coming in. I just love how well the bacterial grass came back, even though it got trampled. I mean, it used to come all the way down here, but that's okay. I'm actually going to take them now and move them to the side. So I'll just like go along the walls, and then in the middle is where I'll do my composting, hopefully. Look how big they've gotten, right? And I just potted these up last week, so they've had more room to grow, so now they're bigger. These ones are struggling to grow, unfortunately. This one just died. Shucks. Got lemon balm, more lettuce, more lettuce, more lettuce. The cilantro's out of this world. The Greek oregano's out of this world. Right? Everyone's happy. Wish I could get them in the ground. This is more of that lemon balm. So, everything's good. Everything's good. Except this one. I think I might have planted it too deep. Maybe I got too much water. I'll never know. Hopefully maybe it might sprout again. This was like just ripped right off. I can. Ooh. There's the mint. I'm trying to keep the mint to winter the garden, but part of me wants to plant it at the base of my trees. I'm trying to fight the urge. But yeah, these things are huge now. They could really benefit by being in the ground. So I'm hoping this week I can get them in the ground. Okay, remember how I showed you that this rooster likes to sneak out of the pen and have a stroll wherever he feels fit? Well, now I see why. He's been eating my herbs. This one's completely gone. That one's completely gone. He's almost finished that one. This one, not too bad, but still, he didn't use two. This one's leaning. I can't get that to stand tall. But yeah. Guess he doesn't like oregano. This one's Greek oregano. So I guess I'm gonna have to move this. I liked having this here because I thought it was pretty to look at, especially when you're at the dining room table or from my bedroom. If I look out, I could see it, so I liked it. But I don't like that he's just having a feast on it. So I may need to move it. I'm not sure if he's like just perching up there and then jumping on it to eat. Because he doesn't seem to touch this side much. But he's like devoured all the back end. So I'm gonna have to figure out somewhere else to put this until I get a higher fence. Because, yeah, I wanted to have a little hook right in here. So I'm gonna think it out. Well, right now, I've got some IPM in there. Works. In here is the BTK. And that's supposed to combat the fall armyworm. You know, excited for that. As they completely destroyed the root systems last year. I'd say I was not happy about that. So this year, I decided to be very vigilant with the addressing of these worms because it's just not nice. They literally get everywhere and they literally eat all the roots. So, every 2 to 3 days, about twice a week, I come around and I just drench the pots with the BTK in hopes that they don't come back this year with a vengeance. Let's do this tall one. Oh god. That's my basil up here. Make sure my basil look at it. So here's one he picked off and didn't even have the courtesy of eating. I would call him a name. This is a children's channel. So I will tell him what I'd really like to tell him. Wow. Y'all don't play.
You know, people may say, oh man, you have these childish fantasies, or you live in a world of make-believe, you have these pipe dreams, and as a result, that inner child may begin to lose hope in regards to making something that's real in their life, or making some of these dreams and these fantasies come into fruition. And as a result, they now suffer from depression. So some people, as adults, they suffer from depression because they have this whimsical sort of
Okay, so I just wanted to show something. All of these I had put bedding in, and I guess some of them I didn't put enough bedding in. So it looked like some of the ladies stole the bedding from here and then shoved it in all the way at that last one because it was so thick. Like the bedding was like up to here. And I can't figure out like how that happened. And now I'm over here and I see, yeah, they stole the bedding. Which is good because you want them to like get broody and hatch you some more little chickadees, you know, free chickens is always a blessing. So abundance, let them have what they want to have. And oh, nice and clean. Let's use this tool. If I want to use this tool, I can get like the dirt all the way from the sides, and then we'll let them right out into my bucket. So how are we going to do this one? I'm going to give you a close up. Here's my bucket. Just push it up there against the chicken coop, and then I just flip everything inside. That's it. Alright. Princess! This girl is over here eating chicken eggs. She's so bad. Bad girl. But luckily I have lots, so I don't think she can. Now I try to come with a brush and brush this out. Not like we have happy problems, like chickens are getting sick or something. But my chickens are pretty healthy and strong, so I don't think it's needed. So I'll come to that in a sec. I just wanted to show diatomaceous earth. Okay, so I take a little of this diatomaceous earth and I'll sprinkle a little into the lid, you know, for portion control. Okay, put this back. Hope it doesn't fall. And then what I'm gonna do is just sprinkle this around. So as you see, over here, sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Yay. Well, make sure you get the corners. They love to live in the corners. Right. I got a little more. Ooh, that was a lot more. That's fine. That was actually a lot more. That's fine, because I got a lot to do. And we'll just sprinkle. 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 A bit more over here. Just cause we can. Oh, we got it like that. Okay. Princess? Alright, so now I got this last one to clean. all cleaned, wet splattered. Now we wait for eggs. Alright, one more.
So, I
And we'll
made
be
the
done.
MSU guide, the yellow copy, and it wasn't working. I was like, oh my god, did I lose the recipe? No, I wrote it down. I knew exactly how.
So I'm probably gonna take a break.
That slide. They're gonna go run
And,
as soon as you park the car. They're gonna run to the
yeah.
slide, and as soon as they hear
What else you
another
got?
child make a noise.
So chicken coop is now clean, and you can see the ladies are happy about it. And they're over there using their sand bath. Back with some dye matches earth in there as well. Actually, we'll do that now. Don't talk about it. But you can see the ladies are up in the chicken coop already. Checking it out. These guys. Looks not fine. Oh, this one's rusting in the ground. I'm not sure why. But yeah, before we go, I'm going to get that dye matches earth and add it to their sand bath.